Hello friends, when it comes to generative AI, Leonardo AI is one of the most powerful tools I have come across in AI technology. Now, Leonardo AI can help you generate any kind of image just with a simple prompt. You can tell this AI the kind of image you want it to generate for you, and you can as well tell the AI the kind of dimension you want. You can use it for any kind of content that has to do with imaging. Whether you are a web developer or a graphic designer or even an ordinary person that has need to generate images sometimes for some use, Leonardo AI is one of the most powerful tools you should learn about. And in this video, I am going to teach you about Leonardo AI and how to use it to generate any kind of image you want. So you have to follow this video till the end and watch my instructions on how to generate any kind of image you want using Leonardo AI. But please, before you continue, just take a few seconds of your time to subscribe to my channel and then watch this video till the end. So friends, to get started with Leonardo AI, the first thing you have to do is to visit the official website for Leonardo AI, which is leonardo.ai. So once you open the website on your web browser, you are going to see this interface here. All right. So we are going to navigate to the app where we have to do all the designs that we want. So once this interface is open, we are going to navigate to the app section of this website. So we are going to click on this menu button by the top right hand side, and then we are going to click on launch app. So from here, you will be required to either sign up or log in. Alright, so you have to log in if you have an already existing account. If not, you have to sign up, or to simplify everything, you are going to sign up using Google. So you're going to click on this Google here. Alright, when you click on it, then you are going to select any of your email addresses that is already signed in here. Alright, so you're going to select any of your email addresses, okay, from here. So once you click on the email address, it will automatically sign you in to leonardo.ai using your email account. So the app is loading. So guys, here we are. All right, so it is here that we have to do any kind of creation that we want to do using very simple prompts. So friends, from this interface, you can see different options here. So apart from the image generation, there are some other types of contents you can create using leonardo.ai. So you can either click on the image generation or real-time canvas or canvas editor or motion, real-time generation, universal upscaler, depending on what you want to achieve. But here we are trying to generate a high definition graphical content according to the instruction we give to the AI. So now we are going to click on image generation. All right, and then we will be brought to this interface where we have to give our prompts. Okay, so you can see this box right here. You can see this interface here. This is where you're going to input any prompt you want, and the AI will follow your prompt to create the type of image you have instructed it to. Alright, so let me scroll down and show you the previously generated image according to this prompt that I had put here. So initially I instructed it to create a HD image of sitting room with chairs, then LED, wall TV and blue backlight. So these are the instructions and specifications I gave to it. So let's see what it did for me below. So you can see all these images, they were generated because of the prompt I gave. Now one good thing with this Leonardo AI is that it generates original content for you. contents that are copyright free. So this means you can use these contents anywhere on the internet without infringing any copyright act. Okay, so once you generate this image, it is an original content, so you can use it anywhere on the internet. If you're a content creator, you can use it in your content, you can use it in your blogs, you can use it as background on any platform or in social media, anywhere at all, because they are original content generated by you, so you can claim right to it. Okay, so now let me use a different prompt to create a new image. All right, so watch what I'm going to do. I am going to tell the AI to create a HD image of an African village with trees and elephants all around the village. All right, so you can see my specifications here. So after typing this prompt, I'm going to scroll down a bit, and then I'm going to create on generate. This will cost 6 coins. All right, so these coins are given to you free of charge once you create your account. So there are some other tasks you can do here to accumulate more coins. So I'm going to click on generate, and then I will wait for the AI to generate my content, and then I'll give you a preview of what I have. All right. Okay, so I'm scrolling down to see the contents that it is generating. So we wait for the AI to finish its work. Wow, this is amazing. You can see what the AI has generated for me. This is very beautiful. You can see just with a very simple prompt. So you can click on any of them that suits what you want. All right, let's say the last one, it looks more enticing. So I'm going to click on the last one. All right, and then I'm going to download this image rather by clicking on this download button by the bottom left hand side here. Okay, you can see my image is being downloaded, so I can open it. You can see I can save this image and I can use it anywhere on the internet. Wow, this is quite beautiful. Okay, so now we are going to try a different prompt to see what the AI will bring for us. So I'm going to type create a HD image. I love high definition images because they look so beautiful. Image of a sitting room with blue black light, a 50 inches plasma television, and set of chairs. So let us scroll down and click on generate, and then we wait to see what the AI has for us. Okay, we scroll down. While we wait for the generation to complete. Wow, here is it, guys. This is so beautiful. You can see what the AI generated for us. This is quite interesting. All right, so you can use this tool to create any kind of image according to the prompt we give to the AI. So it's very important for you to be technical in your statements so that you don't get the AI confused. All right, now let me try one more content. Okay, I'm going to clear this, and then I'm going to instruct the AI to create a HD image of an African woman grilling chicken. Okay, very simple. So I can go down and click on generate. All right, and I will then scroll down to see what the AI has for me. This is really enjoyable. So if you are a content creator, you are a graphic designer, you are a web developer, you can use this tool to generate any kind of background, image, favicon, whatever it is that you want, and it will be original content. You can see what the AI generated for me. This is quite beautiful, quite beautiful. So most of the images you see online today are AI generated. So people really don't have time to go to take pictures of these things anymore. They can easily issue a prompt for AI to generate them, and it's very easy. And the most interesting part of it is that this platform is free. These things are done free of charge, but then you can choose to upgrade your account to a premium account, and then you'll be required to pay some money for that. So guys, this is it. You can try out some other options here. Apart from the image generation, you can try the other options that we saw earlier. Okay, and then do whatever you want with this platform. This is really beautiful, guys. So let me try another one. Create a HD image of an aeroplane in an airport. So I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on generate. All right, and so I will scroll down to see what the AI has generated for me. So we are waiting for the generation to complete. And guys, this is it. This is what the AI has done for me, and this looks so amazing. So friends, you can download these pictures. You can click on this button, click on download, just like we did before. You can download any of them and use them wherever you want without any issues. So friends, if you are yet to start using this platform, I will advise you to start taking advantage of these beautiful features here to fully create any kind of content in the form of image for any kind of work you are doing. My name is Kalisu Zonyouchi, and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe, because you will be seeing more contents like this and those that are even better than this. Click on the bell icon to enable notification. Share this video. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section, and then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.